Hey, this is Chris Menard. I've had a few people tell me that Flash Fill in Microsoft Excel is not working for them. It only works in 2013 and 16. You don't have it in previous versions. But I'm going to run through a few examples that I've got set up. So I've got first name, middle initial, and last name. I want to put them all as one name. So I'm going to put in Valerie R. Jennings. And the minute I hit the letter R for Rachel, Flash Fill will show me what it wants to do, and if it looks correct, just press enter. And there I go, and I'm going to check them real quick. They look pretty good. So here I go with the second one. I know I misspelled the word flash down there. Don't worry about it. So the first time I did it, I took 3 fields and combined into one. This time, I've got 1 field, and I want to break it out into 3 fields. Because right now, I cannot sort by last name, which is column A. So this one may not work completely, but I'll show you how to fix it. And when you have data like this, I recommend go ahead and help out Excel and give it at least 1 extra row to see what you're trying to do, to see the pattern. And here we go again with Flash Fill. So it got the first names correct, and here's where it may break. And it did. Don't worry about it. Keep on going. Let me make sure the last names are at least correct. So here's what I would do. I would come over to column E, and I would make what's called a helper column, and you don't have to call it the word helper. So obviously, for example, I'm expecting an initial and a period. So that's wrong. So what I'm going to do is do equals LEN, and all it does is return the number of characters in your text string. So I should get the number 2. R is 1, the period is 2. Autofill that down. Highlight. Sort. Sort by that helper column. Hit OK. I'm good. If you want to test it, there's Valerie, there's Chris, Rhonda F. Blue, Rhonda F. Blue. So all I did was the LEN function. One more example. Here's another great one. I've got a list of social security numbers in column A and phone numbers in column D, and I'm not happy with the formatting. So before you do this, I can tell that that's text because 1, the leading zeros are there, and 2, I've got the triangle. So you first have to select your range where you want to change these two, and you need to make the data type match, which is going to be text. And let me go ahead and do it here too while I'm in here. Make that text. So what I want to do with the socials is 001 dash 1, 2, 3, 4. The minute I do a 0, look at that, there's Flash Fill working again. And here we go with the phone numbers. I want to format them 770 space 111 dash 2222. Open parenth, looks good, enter. So hopefully that helps you out with Flash Fill. Doesn't matter whether you're doing Social Security, phone numbers, product IDs, names. And I showed you how to get around it if you're going from one column to multiple columns using the equals LEN. Thank you for your time. If you need training, please contact me.